This is how my x-axis looks like.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is how my y-axis looks like.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my negative x-axis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what was the value you given me? What was the value of f?
F is minus 10 centimeter.
Yeah, f was minus 10 centimeter. What was the u?
U is minus 15 centimeter.
U was minus 15 centimeter. What was v?
Minus 30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. Okay. So all these values are in minus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So where should I plot them? On the, this is a y-axis. So on the right hand side of y-axis or the left hand side of y-axis?
Left hand side of y-axis.
Left hand side of the y-axis. Very good. So this is where my u is. Like
Yes,
some,
ma'am.
this is f at 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is u at 15.
Yes, ma'am.
This is v at 30. Okay. So where will be my r?
Ma'am.
If
Value.
this is my f, if this is 10 centimeters, so my r is supposed to be somewhere over here.
Yeah.
Over here.
No, ma'am. It will be between 50. Yeah, it will be between the 20.
See, this is focus.
Yeah. I understood, ma'am, because R is equal to F by 2.
Yeah, yeah. So this is focus. This is my
Ah.
r. So it means that my
Yes, ma'am.
image is between mm, between r and f.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So where should my image, sorry, object is between r and f. So where should my image be according to the ray diagram?
Image will be behind this radius of the curvature.
If object is between r and f,
R and F object
object,
range center of curvature and the F it
yeah,
will
yeah.
be
If object is between center and curvature of f, so my object,
focus
so
and
where should my
point.
image,
Ma'am.
you can take the reference from your book for now. What I'm asking you, if object is between C and F, we can call C or R same. Okay.
Okay.
If the object is between C and F, then where my image should be? Beyond C?
Yeah.
Beyond C.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
is in my diagram the image is forming beyond C? Can you check?
Image.
In the
Yes, ma'am.
object I have drawn, where I have plotted the points that are given to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritapa, it is clearly showing now. This is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
F.
Yeah, I understood, ma'am.
You understood, na? See, if you have any doubt regarding anything, na, you can please ask me. Okay. Still, we
Okay.
have time. When is your science board exam?
Ma'am, it's on. I didn't remember the date of science board exam, ma'am. It is 21st Feb.
It is on 21st Feb. Okay. So, still we have like 1 to 1.5 months, right?
Yeah.
So, if we want, if you are a hard worker or anything, like as far as I can know you, that you know the basics. Okay, you are very good with your basics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, by your answers, you are pretty good with your basics. So, you just have to practice more and more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in physics, there's only question practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and physics is the most scoring subject. Out of these three, out of chemistry, bio, and physics, physics is the most scoring subject. So if you will practice, and see, if you're going to ponder everything down, you're going to cram everything, just you just cramming formulas or all, so you can't solve questions.
Okay.
Okay, you have to understand that.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So like this is the way, like you understood by the diagram na, that you can, how you can double check your mirror formula questions,
Yes,
how you
ma'am.
can double check your ray diagrams question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I didn't do something magical, it was very easy, hai na? Okay, right. So did you understood this question or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see, for the time being, you might think that all these things are monotonous. Why can't I just tell you the formula? This is where V is, why this is, you just take. If I have told you that take U as negative, V as positive in this case, negative in this case, take focus as positive in this case, negative in this case. So this might be easy for you as well as for me. You can just easily cram it out because it's like very little information that you have to learn. But the matter of fact is, if by chance you just forgot all this information in your examination hall, then your whole question will be ruined, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you just try to understand that why V, why U, why F is negative and positive, so it will be very easy for you. Okay? So just try to understand them rather than just cramming up everything that